Hi everyone, Matt Knighton here, the founder of MRKWP. Today we're going to show you how to set your browser color from this with nothing to something like this you see on Smashing Magazine. Let's jump on into the screencast and I'll show you exactly how it's done. So the first website we're looking at is a Divi website from Parks Christian School. And we're going to go into the dashboard. From there, once we are in the dashboard, we go to Divi and go to Theme Options. From there, we go to Integration. And here in my header, I take my snippet, which is this one here, the theme color of green. I've linked that in my description, paste that there. Click Save Changes, and the website in mobile has gone from this to this. Fantastic. So that's how you do that inside Divi. Now we're going to do it inside Astra. We've got this advanced global website. We're going to put a grey one on this one. So we go to the dashboard, step 1. Now this is for Astra Pro because we're using custom layouts. So going to custom layouts, we're going to add a new item and we're going to call this browser color. I enable the code editor, take my little snippet here that I've got with the grey version, again linked in the description. Then I select a hook. Then I want to do it at the bottom of the head. Then I want to display on the entire website for all users. And then I click publish, just like that. And that's it. That has gone from this to this. Alright, I hope you like those quick little tips for Astra and Divi in setting your browser color. These little tips go a long way. Remember, you've got the snippet below in the gist. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, by all means, ask in the comments below. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.